Okay, and today's video is just going to be about the Kriega RSD X-Row handlebar bag, because I've got the sport glide, as you can see here, and I like riding it without the panniers when I'm just riding around, just having fun really. I put the panniers on if I'm going anywhere, but if I'm not, I just like to ride without the panniers. So I wanted a solution that I could carry my stuff, especially sort of my camera stuff when I get off the bike, my wallet and stuff, and I'd looked at various bags. I'd tried the Biltwell X3, and I didn't really like that. I didn't like the construction. It seemed very cheap, even though it wasn't a cheap bag. I tried various ones from Motia, or I tried a couple from Motia, and they just didn't hold enough. So I plumped for this, and I was pleasantly surprised, to be honest. So yeah, I tried to find some reviews on it online, and I couldn't get anywhere. So I thought I'd do my own video in case you're looking for a handlebar bag with your motorbike that has tool risers. So yeah, so this one, as I say, is the Kriega RSD Roland Sands design Rome X handlebar bag, and as you can see here, it fits nicely behind my Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing, and it's got loads and loads of room, so it's waterproof. And what it has, it's got these buckles that opens up, and it's a roll top bag. Then you open it up and you've got tons of room in there, and as you see at the moment, I've got my Insta X3, I've got various RAM mounts, I've got my earplugs, and that's what I've got in there in the moment. But you can fit loads and loads in here. If I take this off just to show you, put that in, and get it in, and then you just roll it down, clip it up on the sides, and it fits really nice. But I think the total capacity for this is 3 litres, and so you've got so much room in here that you can put in here. It's just really handy, and it's got a nice white inside, so you can actually see what you've got in there. It's secured to your handlebars. It's got these Velcro straps that come with it, and you've got various positions that you can use these on, so you can strap it anywhere you want with on your handlebars. But I like it so it just sits below your actual riser, and it sits well within, as I say, the Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take off the Road Warrior fairing, so you can actually have a look at the bag and see it from the front, and we can have a look what other features it has. So if I just take this fairing off, and I'll give you an idea of measurements as well. And so we just take this fairing off for a second, and there's the bag. Let's just put that down there for now. So yeah, this is the bag. I think it looks quite good even without the Road Warrior fairing, to be honest. Obviously it's not the most attractive thing, but it certainly looks decent. So as we say, we've got this roll top bit that we said, so plenty of room in there, and they just roll down and snap together, and that provides a nice waterproof compartment for your main bits and pieces. Then nice Roland Sands design on the front. You've got various mole straps here that you can put bits and pieces into. Then at the front you've got this, which is a separate sort of pouch that I just put my Harley Davidson Owners Club bag cards in, and also some microfiber for my glasses, and that can come off. So again, if you're just going in and you've got some valuables in there, or your wallet or your phone, you can clip that off when you stop, take that with you. So we've got that, so it's nice there. And then also, if we just open this flap up here under the Roland Sands design, slip that across, and we've got again another really decent sized pouch in here, so you can put bits and pieces in, and you've got various organising pouches within that as well. So yeah, really handy, and I really like that, and it certainly solves the issues that I have with trying to find storage on the bike if I don't want to take the panniers. Now again, online I was looking, because if you look on the websites at this, there's nothing that says about dimensions, nothing at all. And I've seen various people's comments asking on Revzilla what are the dimensions of this, and nobody seems to answer, so I'm going to hopefully answer those questions for you now. So I brought my trusty tape measure. So if we go across, it's around just under 11 inches wide, or 28 centimeters wide, and closed we're looking at 8.5 inches, around about 8.5 inches, or 21.5, 22 centimeters. So that gives you an idea hopefully of the dimensions. And depth wise, as I say, this is not fooled by any stretch of the imagination, but we've got roughly around about sort of 3.5 inches or 9 centimeters there. Now if you lift these off, as I say, this is it completely rolled down, but you don't have to have it rolled down. If you put this up, so you've got the total capacity. I'll do that from the top to bottom, and we're looking around about 1 foot or 31 centimeters. So 1 foot or 31 centimeters complete height if you have it unrolled. So as I say, I've only had this for a couple of weeks, but I've been looking for a solution for this for a long time, and I thought I'm going to post a video on it, because as I say, I know people do have this issue, and they're looking for something that's not only practical but looks good, and it does provide you with so much storage. If you've got a bike that doesn't have panniers, or you're just looking for some extra storage on your bike, really love it, and I'd highly recommend it. Retail price, I'm not sure in the States, but I know in the UK it was £89, which again is really expensive, but that's standard for anything motorbikes in the UK. If you just look on, I know Revzilla had them in stock, so if you just go on Revzilla, they'll be able to see, or they'll be able to tell you the price in the States as well. But the design is really good. The material is like a wax cotton material, and it's waterproof, water treated. So yeah, highly recommend it. So I hope you liked that video. If you did, please press that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helped my channel. I really appreciate that. And if you want to be notified of any other videos that I have numerous types of videos, whether they be reviews, just rides, detail videos on my sport glide, what I've done to it, or rides out, or I've also got a few test rides of other Harley Davidsons, and I'm planning on doing more, and a few other bikes as well. So yeah, I really appreciate your support. If you could do that, that'd be fantastic. Please leave any comments below. Let me know if you like this bag, and if you're going to buy it on the sake of it. So none of my stuff on my video is sponsored. It all comes out of my hard-earned money. I haven't got to the point where people give me, unfortunately, products to review. So this is all from my hard-earned money and my honest opinion. So yeah, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. Really appreciate you watching. And as I say, ride safe, stay safe, and I will catch you next time.